It's all over the news. Anti-Semitism is on the rise. We invoke the term anti-Semitism as if it's self-explanatory. It's not. I want to make 5 points. First, it's called the oldest hatred, but anti-Semitism is a modern term invented in the 1870s. It identifies Jews as other, not just in religious terms, but also in national, cultural, and biological terms as well. Second, anti-Semitism should not be a singular term, but rather a plural one, or at the very least, an umbrella term under which a range of tropes about Jews reside. Third, anti-Semitism is logically inconsistent. Jews are radicals and leftists, while also being capitalists and financiers. The only thing that connects these notions is that Jews are dangerous conspirators. And this too is ironic, since anti-Semites claim that Jews are morally and physically inferior, but somehow possess the power to take over and dominate the world. Fourth, anti-Semitism functions as a way of making sense of the world. The chant, "Jews will not replace us," targets Jews as the cause of perceived white Christian misfortunes. Fifth, and most important, we cannot succeed in fighting anti-Semitism in isolation. All bigotries have distinct histories and genealogies. But racism, anti-Semitism, xenophobia, homophobia, and every other kind of hatred comprise a lexicon of bigotry. We can understand the distinctions while also seeing the big picture. Only when we begin to decode and deconstruct the cultural calculus that entangles various forms of hate and violence do we have any hope of eradicating them. Thank you.